Hey, what's up? This your girl Ieisha, and you are now tuned in to the Nail Lab. Today I'm working on a 90s nail design tutorial. Stay tuned to the end, you'll love it. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to do a full voiceover. I'm just going to let you see it and just listen to this music. And you can comment below what you like. I will also put in the caption what I used, and you can click the link as well. Like this video just as much as I enjoyed doing it for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail videos. Catch y'all later.